Hello friends, welcome to the new video of material UI design in the React. So let's talk about the button. So but we always use the button in any of the projects. So let's take a look. Button allows you to take an actions and make choices with the help of a single tap, right? So we are going to use this kind of buttons. So how we are going to use this? There is a property of the React Native that is called button. So we need to just include the button over here. So I'm going to use this one as a button. Okay, so you need to just import this one button. Okay, then after this autocomplete, add this one, any kind of button with the text with contain or something, just copy and paste it. So here we can add the button. It's ending here. Is there any error? Adjacent JSF element can just be like closing tab. Did you have a JSF? Okay, so here it says that like this. It is wrapped in a JSX syntax. So whenever this kind of error comes, you need to just add this one. So this is compiled successfully, and you can see that. So we have a button, right? So you can define any kind of button here. So we can use any of the buttons. So let's design the button also. So this is text button, and let's add something like this kind of buttons, like bootstrap buttons when you say primary, secondary, or something. So you need to just add this one like this. So we are going to add like this. So this is the success buttons, you can see that. So here we have, let's add this one. So that is a success button. Then we are going to add the another button that is called warning. Then we are going with error. So here in the past warning, we need to pass error, right? Save this, check this. You can see that we have a different buttons, right? So you can if you want to add like this, you can also pass this color over here, but default colors, right? So this will give you the button. Okay, so next we have the sizes, whether you can also pass the size property. Okay, so you can see that we have a size property, right? Whether it is medium, large, or this. So just need to add the property size. So here you can just put the property size here. Check this. Okay, so they have made it size larger, or we can make it like small. One we can make it small. This is gonna be small, right? So this property you can also add. Next we have upload button with the pic. So you can see that there is an image part will open. Same, or you can do with the camera. Okay, and with icons you can also add here. You need to pass the start icon, right? You can see that we have to pass the icon over here. So icon you need to add, there is material icon send. So you need to import this one, send icon, and just pass it in your start icon, any of the button. Just copy this one and add it in the any of the field here. Okay, so it will delete icon. It's not delete icon, it's send icon. So copy this send icon and add it over here. Otherwise it says undefined. So you can see that there is icon is added in that part. So you can also add the icons at the moment, and these are the icons buttons. So icons we can discuss later on, but we are discussing about the buttons. So we have the customization of that buttons. You can see custom buttons. So they have the full-fledged bootstrap button they have made. Okay, so this they have made color button and color button. Okay, and they have styled it accordingly. So whether you want to use that one or you want to custom one, you can do the both the same, right? So that's it for now for the buttons. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.